What is up guys, MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. And today's cocktail is the Army Navy cocktail. Because I've got the inspiration from the Bonneville Cocktail Collection of the YouTube channel, as I've been finding a few of their recipes for the coronavirus to keep you occupied. I thought it's a good idea from them, so I would highly check them out. They're very good cocktail channels, a lot bigger than mine, but took inspiration from them and I want to do one of theirs, which is the Army Navy cocktail. So I'm going to follow the recipe, how to make the Army Navy cocktail. Right, so the first thing you want to do is get your shaker and put some ice. Right, the first ingredient to go in guys is 60ml or 2 ounces of gin. Because it's Army Navy, I thought it's quite appropriate we use Plymouth Gin. As it has strong links to Plymouth, which is a naval, it does have a Navy strength gin, which is got a lot of history of Plymouth Gin has. Next ingredient guys is 25ml or just short of 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Next is 15ml or half an ounce of almond syrup or Orgeat. Just almond syrup. And the last ingredient guys is to add 1 dash of Angostura bitters. And time to shake for 8 to 10 seconds, getting nice and chill. Right, now we're shaking it, time to strain into our Martini glass. And there is the Army and Navy cocktail. How does it taste? It's what you expect. It's your typical gin cocktail, but it's very nice. It certainly complements the almond flavour. That's what I can say. It reminds me a lot of the cocktail drinks with amaretto in it, or Disaronno is its brand name, like that, amaretto. But it certainly adds a beautiful flavour, especially with the lemon juice. This is just beautiful. Lemon juice and gin go together like peas in a pod, really. But if you are in self-isolation at the minute with the coronavirus, you can't really go on it. I thought it's a good idea from the Bonneville Cocktail channel. It's because they do have a bar down in London. It's a business of its own as well, which are unfortunately shut down at the minute down in London. Hopefully one day I will get to visit them, because I'd love to visit these bar down there. But for the next idea, what you came up with a load of cocktail recipes that you can follow and make for yourself and keep you occupied during the coronavirus. But the most important thing during the coronavirus is to stay safe and check up on friends and family as well, to make sure they're alright. But with a bit more free time now due to the coronavirus, I might do a few more cocktails. We'll see what we can come up, and hopefully I can follow a few more of the Bonneville's cocktail recipes that he's left on his website, especially with the PDFs, because they just sign up to it, is all you do, and sign up your email, and there you go, you can go through the cocktail recipes that they've left. It's a very good idea, and I take my hat off to him. But that is the Army Navy cocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, as I really do appreciate it, and thank you for your support, as we're now on 260 subs, and I will see you guys in the next cocktail video. Cheers.